Today I'm showing you how you can build church membership application forms like this one using AI in two methods. So the first one is if you're starting from scratch. The second one is if you already have a form in Google Forms, but you want to enhance it using AI. So let's start with the from scratch methodology. So basically head on over to Weavly.ai. It's an AI powered form builder. And when you head on over to product and free AI mini tools, you'll see that there's a specific church membership form generator. So basically this works like you would expect. You have a prompt where you can describe the form that you need, so you can give the name of your church or whatever information that you need, or you can of course use one of the example prompts. So let's say that we have a specific baptism request form that we need to build. We just use that prompt and then we press start for free. And this is going to generate us a form out of the box, which is tailored to that specific use case, which in this case is a baptism form. So we have some general questions about personal details, and then of course spiritual backgrounds, preferred next steps. So you get a sample set of questions, but the cool thing of course is that you can just add additional questions either by asking the AI to do it or doing it manually if you toggle off AI mode. And as you can see, we already have a form which looks pretty nice. So we have a nice visual in here and the form just looks better in general than you would do with a Google form. So that's the first method. The second method is if you already have a form in Google Forms, but you want to tweak it. So for this, we're going to head on over back to Weavly.ai and we're going to press start for free. So this will lead us to the Weavly editor where we can actually import a Google form. You'll need to set up your Google account first. So it's just a single sign-on process. And then once you're in there, you can paste the Google Forms editor URL and it would import that into Weavly.ai, after which you can enhance it. So in our example, we have a standard party invite. We will use the Google Forms URL. So that's the one that is at the top of the bar, right? So not the one that you use to actually get responses to your Google form, but the one at the top of your browser navigation. So you go ahead and copy paste that one and then simply enter it into Weavly.ai. And then when you press import, it's going to import all of the questions that you had from your Google form, after which you can start tailoring and customizing it. So for example, we could say, make the form visual something party-like. So you could either change the questions that you have, or you could change the theme with AI as well. So as you can see, it came up with something a lot more colorful and it added some balloons at the top of our form. So it actually looks more like a party invite. And we can then use all of the power of Weavly. So we could add conditional logic, so only showing a specific question if somebody typed in a specific answer, that sort of stuff. There's plenty of other tutorials on this channel about what you can all do with Weavly.ai.